Hello everyone. Today we will start a new topic, adding subtotal. This function is very important function, very versatile function. Subtotal help us to manage and analyze the data. It can perform different arithmetic and logical operations such as counting cells, calculating average, finding the minimum or maximum value, and much more operations. Now, let's start the practical. This video is related to Apache OpenOffice. We can do subtotals in Apache OpenOffice. Here, in the sheet 1, I can type the data. It is already typed because of saving our time. In this, I can make a heading, adding subtotal. Then I can make 3 column labels, column names, name, month, and sales. In the name column, I can specify the names of the persons, and in the second column, that is a month, in this column I can specify the months, 3 months, December, November, and October. And in the third column, sales, I can type the sales of the person according to the month. There is a necessity. If you want to sort the data, if you want to calculate the data according to the category, that field must be sorted. Here I can already, this field will be sorted. If you want to change A to Z and Z to A, I can sort the data. Then for the subtotal, first of all, we need to select the data. Then click on Data tab. Click on Subtotals option. Now, for this, after clicking on Subtotal option, this type of dialog box will be appear. In the group by, first field is group by. In this field, we can select the field name which you want to categorize according to each category. We can select the month field. Then second field is calculated subtotals 4. In this field, I can select the sales field that will be calculated, and in the next field is use function, which type of function we want to apply to our data. There are so many functions, we want to select sum function. Then click on OK. Now you can see our data will be categorized according to month category. I can increase the font size. Now this is the December total. Then this is the November total, and this is the October total and grand total. This is the use of subtotal. Thank you.